Rā atu rā mai meu tonu a hakaraia, ahakoa ngā pakeketanga o te wā.
He ua, he rereke, engari nui ngā akoranga kai roto. I know this is what's going to benefit me in preparations for this tournament. And it is harder, you wake up every day a little bit less excited to go get beat up, but you just keep reminding yourself that this hard work is what wins World Championships, You can only fight like you train. So I know that I've suffered in the last couple of weeks, and I know I've been pushed to my absolute limits. I'm going to take it in my stride and keep pushing.
Tērā ia te pātai, nā te aha tūtaki ai te tuahu nei ki te tama Māori no Rotorua.
I met Steve Oliver a long time ago, and we got like a bond right off the bat, we become good friends. So he's keeping sending me his athletes right here. So we did that I think the first time was like 5 years ago or something, when I met JJ, and he was the first one who came. He lived with me for a little while, and then afterwards Haka came, it's been a blast, I think the culture is very similar to the Brazilian culture as well, because I was surprised when I went to New Zealand to see the level, and how good they are. So I'm happy that I can help somehow, to help those kids to achieve their dreams, so I'm stoked with that.
Ia te tuahu e mamau ana, mārama ana te kite, e hara tēnei I te mahi, mā te tūtua noihone. Mā te heke o te tōta anake, e whanake tonu ai a hakaraia, I aia e whakaeke ana ki ngā whakataetai mamau IBJJF o te ao.